Hello, my first grade friends. Today for our reading lesson, we are going to talk about different reading powers that you all have. And we're going to learn how to use them to help us figure out words. So, some of these might look familiar from kindergarten, some of them might be brand new, but we're going to go through them all together. Okay, so the first superpower we're going to discuss is pointer power. All right. I can use pointer power to touch under each word, right? That's the first superpower we're going to practice using today. Okay. And the second superpower that is going to help us in reading is picture power. I can use picture power to help me figure out a word. And the picture I drew has a picture of a cat, the word cat, but the arrow's pointing to the picture because we use the picture power to help us figure out a word. And the third reading superpower we're going to use to help us read words and books is sound power. Okay? I can use sound power to look at the first sound to help me figure out words. Okay? Pointer power, picture power, and sound power. All right, let's give it a try. I grabbed a book from the classroom called Colors. I actually borrowed this from Mrs. K's room because she has all her books unpacked. I wonder if this book is going to be about different colors. I don't know. We're going to find out. Here's that title page. I'm going to use my pointer power right now. And I'm going to use my sound power to read that first sound. Colors. All right. Get your pointer powers ready. Okay. Now I want you to, I'm going to point to the picture. Okay. So I see a car that's black and it's kind of sitting in front of a tree. Okay. I used my picture power. Now I'm going to get my pointer power out. This car is, but the word's covered up. Let's use that sound power to read the first sound. And maybe that will help us figure out what the rest of the word is. This car is, what does this letter say? The letter B. That's right, it says B. So this car is black. That's what I'm thinking because I used the picture power and the sound power and my pointer power. Let's see. Look at that. This car is black. Wow. Okay, we did it. Next one. Let's use the picture power first. Okay. I see a fire engine. If Wyatt was here, he would be all about this page. He loves fire trucks. All right. I notice that it's red. I'm going to get my pointer power ready. This fire engine is, what do you think? Let's see. What is that letter? That's right, it's a letter R, and the R says, that's right, it says So this fire engine is red. Look at that. We used our 3 reading powers to figure that page out too. Okie dokie. What is in this picture? Let's use our picture power. What do you see? That's right, it's a flower. And what color is that flower? Yep, it's yellow. Pointer power. This flower is, what do you predict this word is going to be? What letter do you expect to see at the beginning of this word? Let's see if it matches your prediction. This flower is Y. I think it's yellow. Oh my goodness, we're doing it. This flower is yellow. Okay, superstar readers. We have another page. Picture power. I see a tree. Do you see a tree? Pointer power. This tree is purple? No. I mean, it's green and brown. Uh-oh. It could be both. Oh, wait. Sound power. This tree is G. Okay, so it's not going to be brown. I think it's green. What do you think? This tree is green. All right. I've actually uncovered part of this last word. Picture power. What do you see? Yes. And what color is that? Okay. Pointer power. This fish is, I see an O and an R. And I know that snap word is or. So sometimes you might see a blend of letters, or you might see a word that you know at the beginning of a word. So in this case, I'm thinking this fish is orange. Orange. I'm going to say this. Picture power. Oh, I see a sailboat. I used to sail every weekend with my parents. Okay. This boat is full. Full. What do you think what the word is? I think so too. This boat is blue. You got it. And last but not least, okay, picture power. Pointer power. Let's have you read it. I'll uncover the first part of the word. What word do you think it is? All right. This house is white. Excellent. We read that whole book using 3 super reading powers. Picture power, pointer power, and sound power. So as soon as this lesson is over, I want you to pick a book up near you and practice that. Maybe it's a book you know really well. You can still practice using pointer power and picture power and sound power. Okay? So I'm not going to ask you to respond on Seesaw today. Just after you're finished with the lesson, I'd like you to read. Spend some time reading. 10 minutes would be great. And try and use those 3 powers. Pointer power, picture power, and sound power. All right, off you go.